Yeah, hello, I'm Rob Heathcote. I'm the Director of Product Development Quality for Cummins Incorporated. We started looking into the tool probably about 4 or 5 years ago, and about 3 years ago we then started rolling it out across Cummins. That's when we started using the tool. Yeah. So the scope for stages, we use stages for our product development processes. We originally rolled it out for our primary commercialization process, and then seeing the value of that, we've now expanded it to some of the other supporting processes like technology development and others. I think the biggest value of using stages is first and foremost the flexibility of the visualization, that you can take what are very complicated processes and with the abilities that stages offer, kind of zero in on different aspects of it, whether it's a role-based view or whether it's a more functional-based view or whether it's a value stream where you have something like product compliance and you want to kind of pull that work out. Stages enables you to have the flexibility to see that in different ways. But in addition to that, it provides a centralized tool, something that everybody can get to and see the same information. And it provides a great structure for us to store our supporting documentation that is kind of ultimately helping people in that next level of detail. Yeah, how do we use KPIs? You know, there are a lot of different things you can measure in product development processes. I have found that probably the most important aspect is making sure that processes are being used and that they're effective. And although there are a lot of quantitative measures that we do collect, things like training completion or other, process steps being used, at the end of the day, the most effective way to really measure, in my mind, is to have those functional and program level coaches that work with the people actually using the process, the people actually doing the work, and asking them those two questions, those two simple questions. Number one, are you using the process? Yes, no. And why not, if not? And then second of all, is it effective? Is it giving you the results you need? And again, if not, what can we do to help make that process better? I find those measures, again, in hand with all those other quantitative ones, but I find that kind of a qualitative measure to be really the most powerful measure and really helps us make the most of the use of the process.